let's say you haven't talked to a mortgage loan officer yet, but you want to know how much house you might be able to afford, what price range you can look at. Well, there is one kind of calculation that you can do on your own to get an idea of how much you can afford, and that calculation is this. Normally, most loans, you're not allowed to exceed what's called 50% debt to income ratio, the amount of debts compared to your income. And the way to look at that, or the way to calculate that, is you want to take your gross monthly income. So let's just say in this case, that's $6,000. So $6,000 is your gross. 50% of that is your debt to income ratio limit. So if you're making $6,000, $3,000 would be a 50% debt to income ratio limit. So what does that mean? That means all of your debts that are reporting to credit, including your proposed housing payment, the new house that you want to look at, all need to fit within $3,000 a month. So that's your auto loan, your credit cards, any installment loans and student loans that you have, plus the new mortgage payments. So in that case, if you are making $6,000 a month, a 50% debt to income ratio at $3,000 per month would mean that maybe you have a $2,000 mortgage payment plus a $300 car payment plus a $200 installment loan plus $500 worth of in student loans. That would encompass that $3,000. So really, ideally, you want to be below 50% debt to income ratio, but really you should try to aim somewhere between 30 to 40% debt to income ratio in total. That's a comfortable marker. So if you are out there trying to shop on your own, you don't want to apply just yet, this is a good tool to use when trying to figure out how much home you can afford. To keep in mind, that doesn't take into account how many times you order DoorDash per week, or how often you go to Starbucks, how many TV subscriptions you have, the utilities that are taken into account with the new house. So keep all of that in mind. Try to stay below that 40% debt to income ratio as much as you can so that you don't become house poor, if you will. Any questions about this or anything else, please don't hesitate to reach out. Otherwise, we'll be in touch soon. Take care.